Z is for zoo. Let's go find the alphabet in nature. A is for amphibians. Let's go find some. Aww, look at these Iranian harlequin newts. They're so small. Did you know that amphibians live on both land and in water, and they're cold-blooded? That means their body temperature changes to match their surroundings. Hey, look at these beautiful tiger salamanders. They live in California just like me. B is for bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing land plant. It's so tall. C is for chimpanzee. Did you know that the LA Zoo is home to one of the largest chimpanzee troops in the country? Did you know that chimpanzees share 98.6% of our DNA? That means they're very, very smart and also very, very silly. D is for desert bighorn sheep. Look at those horns. They can use those horns to split open cactus and other desert plants. E is for elephant. Let's go. The Asian elephants at the LA Zoo eat grass, shrubs, vegetables, and all kinds of fruits, even pumpkins. F is for flamingos. Did you know they get their bright colors from the algae that they eat in their food? G is for gorilla. This is Jabari, a western lowland gorilla who's got some pretty cool dance moves. And this is Angela. She was born in 2020 and is only 3 years old. H is for herbivore. Did you know that giraffes eat mostly plants and leaves and fruits? Any animal who doesn't eat meat is called a herbivore. I is for ivy. Look how it grows all the way up the hill. Has a family member ever told you not to play in the ivy?
Denied.
That's because certain ivy plants have a sap, and if that sap touches your skin, it can cause an itchy rash. No thanks. J is for jaguar. Aw, Kaloa here reminds me of my cat Ollie. Ooh, hey, fun fact. Unlike the pet cats we might have at home, jaguars actually like the water and are really good swimmers. K is for kangaroo. I bet they like jumping an awful lot. L is for leaves, and leaves are everywhere. Some of them are small, and some of them are very large. M is for meerkat. These cute creatures live in the desert regions of Africa and eat mostly bugs. Hakuna Matata! Hey, I think it's time for a merry-go-round break. N is for nest. Here at the LA Zoo, there are 6 different bird gardens, specifically with plants and flowers that provide nesting and food for all the birds. Hey, look, this Oropendola nest is perfect for me. O is for otter. The giant otter can eat 6 to 10 pounds of fish in a day. They live in South America and are really great swimmers. But they also like to sunbathe. P is for piranhas. They eat other fish, insects, and even berries. Hey! Q is for quills. The Cape porcupine has quills that can grow a foot long. When they get scared, they raise their quills to look big and intimidating. Hey, porcupine! Good job eating your vegetables!
R is for red, and the color red can be found everywhere in nature, in the zoo.
Ladybugs and flowers. Oh, look at this red powder puff shrub. It's native to South America and can bloom bright red blossoms year-round. It also provides food for hummingbirds, caterpillars, and even butterflies.
S is for stingray. This Matoro stingray eats small fish and invertebrates and hangs out mostly on the bottom of the river or aquarium. Except, of course, to say hi to us. T is for tree. Look at those roots. Aren't they magnificent? U is for underwater. Did you know that the fly river turtle lives almost its entire life underwater, except when female turtles leave the water to dig a nest in the sand? V is for variegated. Did you know that not all leaves are just green? Some of them have colors in them, like this one right here. It's green and white. This is a variegated leaf.
W is for wallaby. This yellow-footed wallaby can be found in the rocky desert-like regions of Australia. Hi, wallaby!
X is for Erophyte. Whoa, that's a big word. Xerophytes are plants that live in climates like the desert. They have adapted to different environments so that they can survive on very little water. Cactus and succulents are excellent examples of xerophytes. Y is for yellow. Let's go find some yellow in nature. Yellow flower.
Yellow poison frogs. Yellow Cape cobra snake.
Bumblebees. Z is for zebra. The Grevi zebra here at the zoo is actually native to southern Ethiopia and northern Kenya. Did you know that a zebra's stripes are as unique as a human fingerprint? The distinctive stripe patterns are how zebras recognize each other.
Oh, hey!
Z is also for zinnia. Can you spell zinnia? Z-I-N-N-I-A. If you have a question about nature or the world around you, just ask Zinnia.